Have you ever wondered what if I had a business that cleaned the environment and made me rich at the same time? Well, there are numerous individuals who have created extremely lucrative firms by doing just that. Today, plastic waste is a worldwide issue, but it's also a great chance. Entrepreneurs all over the world are turning discarded plastics into profitable companies, turning waste into riches. And in today's video, we will look at several ways that plastic waste may be transformed into wealth. Let us begin. The first stage in the process of cleaning up plastic waste while making money is to start small. That means beginning with modest goals and working your way up. Consider beginning a small-scale collection initiative. You may, for example, get in touch with local businesses and ask if you can collect their plastic waste. Or you might go door to door in your neighborhood asking people if you can take their plastic waste off their hands. If you don't have a lot of money when you start out, this might be a good option. You may, for example, buy a tricycle or a push cart to collect the plastic from people's homes and businesses. Once you've collected the plastic, you may sell it to a recycling facility. Even though the profits may not be enormous, they can certainly add up over time. Moreover, this is an excellent method to get your company going without having to invest a lot of money up front. Once you've started collecting plastic waste, it's time to figure out what to do with it. One choice is to sell it to a recycling facility. However, another choice is to create your own plastic pellet production unit. This will need a little more money upfront, but it will allow you to produce your own raw materials, which you may then utilize to manufacture items that you may sell for a profit. It will also give you more control over the quality of the plastic pellets you're utilizing, which is critical if you intend to do any sort of plastic processing. Speaking of processing, let's talk about how you may really make money from your plastic pellets. One option is to start an upcycling business. That is, you take the plastic pellets and create items from them that may be sold again. For example, you may produce things like bags, wallets, belts, phone cases, and more. There are a variety of different ways to use plastic pellets to create things, so take some time to explore your options and discover what works best for you. If you're searching for some inspiration, consider browsing online marketplaces like Etsy and Amazon handmade for handcrafted goods made from plastic pellets. Another option is to open a 3D printing company. 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular and there is a growing demand for customized goods. With a 3D printer, you may produce things on demand using recycled plastic filaments, lowering your environmental impact and providing your consumers with unique goods. If you want to get started with 3D printing, there are a variety of courses available online. You may also get started with 3D printing by purchasing a 3D printer and downloading design software. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any new updates. Now let's move on to the next step. Plastic pellets and other plastic waste may also be converted into fuel or energy, which can be used to generate electricity or heat. This procedure is known as pyrolysis, and there are a variety of businesses that specialize in it. If you're interested in learning more about pyrolysis, there are a variety of articles and videos accessible online. You may also attend webinars or seminars on the subject. Numerous organizations provide training and certification in pyrolysis. Furthermore, there are numerous government grants and subsidies accessible to assist you in getting your business off the ground. Once you've mastered the fundamentals of plastic recycling, it's time to start thinking about scaling your business. This implies increasing your output and entering new markets. In order to expand your firm, you must first establish a solid reputation. That means producing high-quality goods and providing excellent customer service. When you've built a solid reputation, you may begin to raise funds to assist you in expanding your operations. There are a variety of methods to raise funds for your company, such as applying for bank loans or attracting angel investors. Once you've secured the funding you require, you may begin to increase your output and enter new markets. If you want to make the most of your plastic recycling business, you must keep up with current trends and technologies. This implies remaining updated on new recycling techniques as well as remaining informed of any changes in government rules and regulations. There are a variety of publications and websites that can help you stay up to date on the latest developments in the field of plastic recycling. You may also join professional organizations to meet other people in the sector and learn about the newest trends and technologies. In order to succeed in the cutthroat world of plastic recycling, you must be able to manage your company effectively. This entails keeping track of your costs, determining your pricing, and generating a marketing plan. There are a variety of resources accessible to assist you in effectively managing your plastic recycling business. You may also seek assistance from a business advisor or consultant. So there you have it, a complete tutorial on how to start a plastic recycling business. We've covered everything from coming up with concepts to putting them into action. All the best in starting your own plastic recycling company. Remember to remain adaptable and keep learning as your company expands. With some hard work and dedication, you may make a real difference in the fight against plastic pollution while also creating a profitable business. Now let's look at why plastic recycling is a brilliant business idea. To begin, there is a tremendous demand for recycled plastic. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, only 14% of plastic produced globally has been effectively recycled. As a consequence, there is a huge demand for innovative solutions for recycling plastic waste. Second, plastic recycling is an environmentally friendly business. You will be assisting in the reduction of plastic waste that goes to landfills and incinerators by recycling plastic. Furthermore, you will be lowering the demand for virgin plastic, which is produced from fossil fuels. Third, plastic recycling is a cost-effective business. Setting up a plastic recycling operation does not need a large financial investment. You may get started with a modest budget and a basic setup. Finally, plastic recycling is a socially responsible business. You will be contributing to the creation of a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future by recycling plastic. Consumers are increasingly seeking out companies that are socially responsible, which makes plastic recycling an excellent option for entrepreneurs who want to make a positive impact on the world. Overall, plastic recycling is a fantastic business concept with tremendous potential for development and expansion. There is a huge demand for effective plastic recycling solutions, making it an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs to capitalize on. Whether you want to start a small-scale collection operation or a large-scale recycling plant, there are numerous opportunities in the plastic recycling sector. So why not start a plastic recycling company today and contribute to the creation of a more sustainable future for our planet? Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Please like the video and share it with others who may be interested. Your support helps us continue to produce valuable content for you. Subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.